Life under lockdown in Wuhan hasn't been easy. Since January, people in the Chinese city of 11 million have been ordered to stay indoors to stop the spread of a coronavirus named COVID-19. But people do what they can to keep their spirits up.
Control measures have become more stringent. People can't easily get in and out of neighborhoods. Non-residents can't enter.
Wuhan and surrounding cities in Hubei province are the hardest hit by the virus. Officials here have launched a campaign to seek out those who are infected. The new measures include house-to-house checks and mandatory health tests.
80% of coronavirus cases and more than 95% of deaths from the virus are in Hubei province. It's because of human-to-human transmission. Our top priority is to isolate those who are infected from the general population. If we keep exposing the uninfected to coronavirus patients, human-to-human transmission will not stop.
Hospitals are stretched thin. Health workers are facing a shortage of masks and protective body suits. There are reports of some making their own protective gear and continuing to work despite having flu-like symptoms. On Tuesday, Liu Zhiming, the director of a hospital in Wuhan, became one of the most senior health workers to die from the virus. The United Nations has called the outbreak a very dangerous situation.
Our main concern, I have to say, is in relation to countries that have very weak health services. And so I think a particular attention should be put into helping, if necessary, for instance, African countries, if all of a sudden we see the virus spreading, as I said, in countries with less capacity in their health services. That would require a lot of international solidarity.
This cruise ship docked at the Japanese port of Yokohama has the most coronavirus infections outside China. The Diamond Princess has been in quarantine since February the 3rd after a man from Hong Kong tested positive for the virus. The ship's quarantine ends on Wednesday. But scientists say the lockdown meant to stem the outbreak instead turned the ship into an incubator for the virus. More than 450 of the 3,700 people on board have since been infected. Natasha Hussain, TRT World.